When it comes to testing an electric fence, there's a digital voltmeter. There's some with little lights that go up and down. Depending on how much voltage you have, the different lights will show up. Digital voltmeter gives you an accurate, pretty clear reading on what you're dealing with. Most of them on the market will have a ground probe. You stick this in the ground and put usually a brass probe onto the fence, and a digital reading will pop up. Most livestock are contained within 3,000 volts at a minimum. If you're dealing with sheep, goats, elk, deer, we're going to need to bump that power up with our joules, and we're going to need to make sure we have a little more kilovolts. Another type of tester is a fault finder. This actually points in the direction of the short if you have an issue on your fence, and so it'll read your amp draw, what your fence is losing. So with this particular model, it'll have an arrow that pops up and shows you which direction to go. If you've passed it, the arrow will go away, because down the line, everything's clean. So you know you have to go back and find that short where the arrow pops up again.